Well, how will all of this impact our own markets? Our research team joins in with how the trade setup looks like and the stocks that are likely to be in the news today. First up, Vivek joins in to get all the market cues that you need to watch out for. Vivek, good morning. The monthly expiry today, it's a volatile handover from Wall Street, but what's the setup looking like today?
Well, that's right. Good morning. All important February expiry, is upon us, and it's been a week series as far as the entire market was concerned. Now, we also have to keep in mind that we are coming off a holiday, so we have to take into account cues from two separate trading sessions as far as overnight cues are concerned. So remember, U.S. markets yesterday managed to snap a 4-day losing streak, but on Tuesday it was a significant selling pressure that we saw across all of the U.S. indices. Oil prices now are continuing to trade near 4-month lows. Brent at the $72.7 a barrel mark. What did we do on Tuesday? Indian markets, remember, the Nifty especially was down for 6 straight sessions. Broader market underperformance continued. Advance decline ratio very much in favor of the decline, so markets continue to remain in the grip of the bears. What is it that we're watching out for today? Well, there's been significant changes coming in, especially as far as regulatory changes are concerned. So, and as well as a very big entrant in the cable and wireless space, names like Havells, Polycab, KI. Watch out for all of these names; they could be under pressure as Ultratech has announced significant capex to get into this particular segment. And the other set of stocks that will be in focus will be the banks as well as NBFCs. There's been significant regulatory easing coming in from RBI in terms of risk weights, both for NBFCs as well as MFI. So that particular space will be in focus. Asian markets, GIFT Nifty, all indicating a subdued start for our own markets.
There's an important space to keep an eye out for, as Vivek was highlighting with the latest measures announced by the RBI. Vivek, thanks a lot for that. And some stocks that you need to keep an eye out for in today's session, starting off, of course, with Ultratech in the big announcement that they made on Tuesday evening that they are planning to foray into that wires and cable space in Gujarat with an 1,800 crore rupee capex. They are going to build a facility over there in Bharuch over the next 2 years. That will be commissioned in December of next year. And this capex will be funded mostly by internal accruals and by borrowings as well. Now, this move also puts the other wires and cables players in the spotlight, like Polycab, KEI Industries, Havells, RR Cable, and of course Phenolex cables, and most of these stocks have corrected anywhere between 25 to 50% from their recent peaks. Now, Bharti Airtel is also in focus because it made an announcement that it is in talks with Tata Play to merge their DTH businesses. Now, there's been a lot of concern over the future of this industry considering the streaming boom, and as a result of which Bharti Airtel has made this announcement. Mastech is also on your radar because it has won a multi-year, multi-million-dollar contract from the UK Public Services Department, and the estimated value of that is around about $85 million, and that will be spread across a 2-year period. Vesuvius India is going to be reacting to its results, and its 23% revenue growth. Margins were impacted because of higher input costs, and additionally they have also declared a dividend of 14.5 rupees a share, and they'll be splitting one share of 10 rupees into 10 shares of 1 rupee each. So keep that on your radar as well. Dr. Reddy's, where it has received the US FDA EIR for its API manufacturing facility in Bolapuram in Hyderabad. It's Bolaram in Hyderabad, and the inspection has been classified as voluntary action indicated. Vari Energies has won an order for the supply of solar modules worth for around 410 megawatt peak from a unit of Aditya Birla Renewables. Coforge is going to consider a stock split on the 4th of March, so keep that on your radar. The stock has been an outperformer recently. And Tata Power, who has signed an MOU with the Assam government to develop a 5,000 megawatt renewable and clean energy over the next 5 years, for which it will be making an investment of over 30,000 crore rupees during this period. So plenty of stocks that you should be keeping an eye out for in today's trading session.